Hello, Hello, everybody. Nice to meet you here. I'm Konstantin Mikhailov from SAYMON team. We are making SAYMON for several years, for 3 or 4 years already. So I will try to figure out what is it for 5 minutes. For you, you probably don't know what is it. So SAYMON is a software tool, and we call it platform because so many things you can do with it, and it gives you freedom to model what do you actually need to monitor, manage, or visualize. It works fine for both info communication technologies and IoT technologies, Internet of Things technologies. And the basic usage in ICT is following. We can collect information from whatever you want resource. There are a number of built-in checks available. You can collect from any kind of Zabbix or whatever tool you like. And you can provide mobile interfaces, widescreen interfaces. You can provide data source to Grafana or any kind of custom interfaces you can create with application performance, application programming interface. So as well, we use it for IoT. There are a number of proof of concept deployments done with a smart factory, with a smart village for energy account and so on. We have special MQTT connector to the brokers and self-provision, self-service front-end interface and IoT parsers, which are important if you plan to support a lot of devices. Sensaco is one of our customers. It's a startup. They're using IoT devices to make express water analysis, and they use SAYMON as a heart of cloud to collect all the data and make their chemistry magic in the cloud. They calculate somehow quality of the water. Okay. SAYMON is object-oriented data model, which gives you trees of objects with check methods, states propagation, and long-term time series database possibilities. Object is the main thing. There are a lot of built-in checks. Each object can change its states. Objects are all related to some kind of classes of objects. There could be parent object, of course, could be several parents, there could be children, and it could be a huge tree of any kind of nature you want. So it's tree. There are some kind of special objects called links. They connect to two of the objects. This growing from network visualization, from infrastructure visualization. That is why there are such a special objects exist. Last summer, we implement multi-parent technology, which give you more freedom to propagate access to several people to the same amount of objects, but to different amount of objects. Well, we have also tags in the system, and you can tag whatever you want object or link and manipulate it with tags. Each object, as I said, have a state, and this state allows you to propagate state of the tree to the parent objects. So SAYMON have very rich native UI with all these tree plans, geo and mass I will show you. And it's both WebSockets and pooling request technologies implemented. It gives you pretty much similar to Grafana interface to this time series rows, and you can work with it. We have several things which Grafana have no, but they will maybe fast implement after this presentation. Okay, you have state condition editor, which allows you in visual mode to set up what is good and what is wrong with your object. It works with all the data you just received. Okay, all the things you can do with API, of course. This is example of dashboard you can create with SAYMON. This kind of difference from Grafana, for example. There are amount of widgets we support already, and this library will be growing. You have buttons to act. You have such presentation of objects, such. I need to be fast because of eagerness. You have mobile apps, you have REST API, you have custom UI, you have such things inside. We have open sourced component for distributing the engines to the clusters. We focus into machine learning and deep machine learning, cloud services, and marketplace for extensions. Join us and take your free copy of SAYMON.